Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today, as we've now hit October, can't believe it already, I'm going to show you how to do some Halloween crafts, and we are going to start off with a pumpkin. So this pumpkin is going to have something special to it. It's going to have some lights and it's going to have some glow in the dark bits. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here he is, here's the pumpkin. So I think he looks a bit more menacing than he should have done, but you know, it's not October with a few scares. And as you saw, I put the glow-in-the-dark clay in the mouth and the nose and the eyes. And the reason why I've done that is when the lights go out, he will shine in the dark. So I put a little hanger on him as well so he can hang up, as you can sort of see it from here. But I will put some photos at the end so you can see the final effect. Now I'm going to turn the lights off just to see if this works and you can see it a bit better. So here we go. So I'm now a bit of a strange kind of background figure, but you can see the full effect of how he would look in the dark. So this is how you make a pumpkin light from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. But I'll try and turn the lights off in a minute and see what happens. Oh dear, this is going to be an outtake, isn't it? Pumpkin says subscribe. Thanks for watching the tutorials. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Well, I really should show you, shouldn't I? Or shall I make you wait? Kiss me while I die. The heating went on today. Rather hot in here. Oh, I've got the lights on already. Oh my god. From behind the lights, you may be able to see from behind the lights. And behind it, as you saw, there's fairy lights. So this will charge up the glow in the dark clay, and then when it gets, I have a simple thing to say. Come and see the pumpkin. There it is. I'm not editing this. It's going to be done in one take. I'm not editing it. One take.